This detailed explanation sheds light on why traces of Ladoga 17 was a man who lived between 900–1200 CE during the Viking Age and was found in the region now known as Ladoga, Russian Federation. Significantly, the oldest Arabian coin from the Middle Ages found in this region of Europe was discovered in Ladoga. Served as a pivotal trading hub in Eastern Europe, especially within the westernmost part of what is now the Russian Federation, from around 800 to 900 CE. Due to its strategic location, Ladoga became indispensable for commerce. It is estimated that between 90% to 95% of all Arab dirhams unearthed in this region of Europe first passed through Ladoga. These coins journeyed down the Volga River, traveling the Volga trade route to the Khazar capital of Atil, then to the southern shores of the Caspian Sea, and eventually reaching Baghdad with a match on TPF 7444 with Landoga 17. And on BY 28282, we see Gambia also on the Radhanite trade route map. An AI-generated image portrays a man identified as TPF 7455, who lived during the period from 900 to 1200 CE, known as the Viking Age, in the region now referred to as Ladoga within the Russian Federation. Haplogroup T, which represents less than 1% of the genetic makeup in Viking Age regions, is notably found along ancient trade routes. Despite the lack of known Viking settlements in Arab territories, significant interaction occurred between the two cultures through their respective explorations of Europe. In recent discussions, it has been argued that Viking identity was more about cultural practice than genetic heritage, involving not only native Scandinavians, but also Middle Eastern. The examination of an individual from Ladoga, who belonged to haplogroup TPF 7455 and lived between the years 900 and 1200 CE, reveals intriguing insights into the genetic landscape of the Viking Age. This specific haplogroup, TPF 7455, is notably rare, representing less than 1% of the genetic heritage found within the Viking Age region. Its presence along ancient trade routes suggests that this individual may have had connections to various cultures and trading networks that were pivotal during that era. The context surrounding Viking identity is essential to understand. It is crucial to recognize that being a Viking was less about genetic lineage and more about occupation and cultural practices. The Viking Age was characterized by a diverse array of individuals, including native Scandinavians, Middle Eastern Arabs, and Jews, all of whom engaged in maritime and overland trade. This intersection of cultures contributed to a vibrant exchange of goods, ideas, and genetic material across vast distances. Particularly noteworthy is the role of the Radhanites, an early medieval group of Jewish merchants who were instrumental in facilitating trade across the globe. Their extensive networks connected the East and West, enabling the flow of commodities such as silk, spices, and precious metals. By analyzing the genetic contributions of individuals like the one from Ladoga, we can better appreciate how these ancient trade routes were not only pathways for goods, but also conduits for cultural and genetic exchange. Additionally, the haplogroup TY142466, which is associated with a Turkish Sephardic Jewish member of the Avotainu FT-DNA, illustrates the complex genealogical ties that can be traced back to a possible medieval trading communities having a rare connection to Landoga 17. This further emphasizes the rich diversity of backgrounds that contributed to the makeup of populations during the Viking Age, enhancing our understanding of how interconnected the world was centuries ago. In summary, the genetic history exemplified by the individual from Ladoga serves as a vivid reminder of the extraordinary cultural interactions that defined the Viking Age. It showcases how diverse groups came together, not only as traders or warriors, but also as part of a broader tapestry of human society, where genetic, cultural, and occupational identities intertwined in fascinating ways. Thank you for watching.